Swadesh CyberEdu. Welcome. Like, share, and subscribe. Here, question is given. You have to add 3 users, Sita, Kita, and Gita, and add new group name admin as a secondary group of users, Sita and Gita, and the user Rita login should be non-interactive. Here, user command used to create a new user and auxiliary for password set for user. यहाँ user add command के सारे new user create करेंगे और पास जरूरी और password for user. Cat etc password this is used for we want to see all user information. User information. Now you can see here these 3 user is created successfully created. Here you can see also user ID, home date, and batch sale also. Now you are watching Swadesh CyberEdu. Like, share, and subscribe. Group management in Linux. There are 2 categories of group in Linux operating system: primary and secondary groups. Primary group is a group that automatically generated while creating a user with a unique user ID. Simultaneously, a group with ID same as user ID is created, and the user gets added to the group and becomes the first and only member of the group. Secondary group is a group that can be created separately with the help of command, and we can then add user to it by changing the group ID of user by command. Add a new group admin. तो यहाँ नया ग्रुप ऐड करेंगे तो ग्रुप ऐड कमांड के साथ हम लोग एक नया ग्रुप ऐड करेंगे। यहाँ कैट etc ग्रुप, यहाँ पर आप जितने भी ग्रुप इंफॉर्मेशन है उसके बारे में देख सकते हो। You can see all group information by cat etc group. There is a mode command used for add admin group as a secondary group of 2 users, Gita and Sita. यहाँ पर एडमिन ग्रुप को एज ए सेकेंडरी ग्रुप ऐड कर रहा हूँ। Now see here, admin added as a secondary group Gita and Sita. Different cell type. A login cell is the cell that is run when you log in to a system. लॉगिन सेल में आप किसी सिस्टम में किसी सिस्टम को एक्सेस करने के लिए आप लॉगिन करते हो वाया टर्मिनल और SSH. Interactive cell. An interactive cell is a cell when you type in the name of the cell after you have logged in. in the system or switch to new cell. Non-interactive cell. A non-interactive cell is a cell that cannot interact with the user. यहाँ पर नॉन इंटरेक्टिव सेल में आप किसी यूजर में लॉगिन परमिशन नहीं रहता है। आप किसी यूजर में लॉगिन परमिशन मतलब किसी यूजर में लॉगिन नहीं कर सकते हो। You are watching Swadesh CyberEdu. Like, share and subscribe. Here, successfully log in the user Rita. Now again switch to root user. Now user mode command used for change the login cell to no login cell for user Rita. Then after change the login cell to no login cell, then you cannot switch to or cannot log into Rita. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Like, share and subscribe.